Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Watt, and today I'm taking you on a tour through an abandoned bowling alley. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give a like and subscribe. Walking up, we were vibing. It was Colin's birthday, and we had traveled hours to get here. Located in Oklahoma City, this abandoned bowling alley was huge. You can see a small fire inside over here. There was definitely someone living here. There was a bed, some clothes, some personal belongings, but I did not record that up close because privacy. It was way bigger than expected. Super trashed. Stuff all over the floor. The ground was really blocked off, so we had to turn around and try a different way. Pretty much all of this room was flooded.
Sludge.
Everything stacked and stacked on top of each other. There was so much to look at. It was so dark and really hard to see, so I'm honestly really happy that my camera was able to capture this.
So many bowling pins.
Automatic pin setter.
Someone left a bike in here.
My favorite part of this journey was the upstairs. It was so magical up there.
Wow.
Up here felt like a wonderland. Everything was so bright and colorful. There was this beautiful fog in the air.
Wow, there's smoke up here. It's a little hard to breathe.
Up here was a little bit trashed, but just your normal wear and tear. Shoes, a mattress, nothing too crazy. It literally felt like a fairy tale. There was so much graffiti, and the way the sun was coming in, it was so beautiful and creepy, both at the same time. Imagine how many happy memories were here, now left for dust.
There's a big hole on the ground, right by my foot.
But I suppose one person's dust may just be another person's treasure. Talk about open and welcoming. The sunlight was literally pouring out from everywhere. A hidden treasure that people drive by every single day, and they have no idea the beauty that lies within.
This looks like a dancing room. It's huge.
Once again, looking like a fairy tale, enchanted and mysterious. Moving on to the last part of the tour, there was just one little hallway to walk around. It was really dark over here. This was so much fun with my husband Colin. I am so glad that we got to do this.
How was your birthday?
Good. A lot of fun.
Woo.
To explore.
Yeah, a good abandon a birthday. Oklahoma. Woo. All right. Bye.
That is all I have for today. I really hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please make sure to give a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.